Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. Welcome to Carla's Kitchen CC YouTube channel. Hey, Carla the big bad chef. Always like, comment and subscribe. Yeah man, comment to the thing. Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. She's creative, unique, skillful, and she's different. Always chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget Carla's Kitchen CC. Clean and everything neat and delicious in a Carla's Kitchen. Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share. Carla's Kitchen CC, yeah. You hear that? What me say? Run go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC. Yeah.
Hello guys, welcome back. Thanks for coming back. Today I will be making some chunky potato salad. So here are the ingredients that I will be using. I have my potatoes over there and I'm going to be adding 3 eggs. On the stove I have a pot of boiling water waiting. So let's get straight into this video. Here are the potatoes. I went ahead and I diced the potato up into big chunks, as you can see. So this is how you would do your potatoes, into big chunks. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add the potato to the pot because the water is ready. Here I'm sprinkling a little bit of salt to the pot. And I'm going to add the eggs to boil with the potatoes. So I'm going to boil that until the potatoes are soft and tender, and then I'll move on to the next step. So the potatoes are boiled, so I'm going to go ahead and turn off the stove. I went ahead and then chopped up my bell peppers and my onions. So here I am turning off the potato, and I'm going to run some cold water here to stop the chicken popping. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add my mayo. I will be adding a little bit of Goya on purpose. I'm going to go ahead and add my bell peppers. I'm adding the onions. I'm going to add some sazon. And this sazon will help with flavor and color. Here I'm adding my egg. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mix this up. It smells so yummy, guys. Very simple and easy potato salad to make. And with this potato salad, you can add other stuff to it like cranberries. You can add raisins. Just so nice it up, spice it up a little bit. You can add your favorite stuff in it also. So look at it. You can even add cheese to your potato salad and make a cheesy potato salad. Here you have it, guys. A delicious chunky potato salad. Great sides, guys. Put it on your dinner table. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like the video, share the video out with your friends and family, and if it's your first time here, please subscribe to the channel and touch the post notification bell turn it to all so you will be notified every time when I post a new video. Thank you so much for your support, and to all my new subscribers, I welcome you. Thanks for subscribing. Thank you guys so much. Take care of yourselves, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to see you again in another video. Bye guys. Take care. Bye.